Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about tillage equipment and air seeders as far as getting stuff ready for spring. So just a reminder with it when you pull it out of the few snowbanks that you may have had. First thing you want to do is check the tire pressure. Especially important on air drills. Tire pressure makes a huge difference on how that machine runs level. And of course, low tires end up being blown tires in the field a lot of times. So pull out your operator's manual, look up those tire pressures. Best thing to do is take a permanent marker and write that tire pressure right on the rim. Then you don't have to look it up again next year. Fill the tires up, replace the ones that look bad. If they don't look that bad, it might be a good idea to go and get a spare. Hearing lots of stories about a shortage of things, of course, with everything that's going on this year. Check your hydraulic lines, hook it up to a tractor, lift it up and down, make sure that there's nothing that has a major leak on it. That'll give you an idea on your cylinders if you have to replace anything there. And then of course a good general check of all the fasteners and hoses and clamps and anything like that. Just give it a good once over. It'll save you a bunch of downtime in the field when you're trying to work. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.